Hey everyone, my name is Jeremy and welcome to SantoSec. This video is another episode of OSCP My Journey, day 25. So it's been 10 days since I uploaded a video and I wanted to share with you my experience since then. So I've been making a lot of progress since I've been through all the courses once again on the PDF, on all the videos, and I understand the modules way better. But for some reason, when I'm on the lab and I'm on the machine, it just doesn't pop up. The methodology, hard to explain. So it can be very frustrating. So to get my mind out of it, I decided to hack some machine on Hack the Box live on Twitch. Because this is exactly the same process. You have a vulnerable machine and you have to hack your way in. The thing is good about Twitch is that a lot of people who knows Hack the Box, OSCP, and pen testing in general will help you in depth, and some people really help me a lot. I'm going to talk about this at the end of the video. I'm going to thank a lot of people. This happened to me the beginning of the week. A guy named Dennis came up to me and he's like, man, I'm taking the OSCP courses also, and he already have a lot of certification in IT, and he says, every time I passed the certification, I made a study group, like a live study group where we can see, we can share screen, we can share tips, we can share notes. And he was like, do you want to join me for the study group? And I was like, of course I want to learn, since this guy has a lot of experience. So we started Monday, I guess, working together. So there is a bit of a jet lag since I'm in France and he's from America. And I've been learning so much with him because he really have a big background in the IT field, and I don't. But I think we are actually complementary since he has a technical background, and I think I handle better the methodology and the poking everything around. So then on Twitch and YouTube, I met this guy who's called the Old Network Guy. He happens to be starting the OSCP also, so I invited him to join us. Currently he's been in the network for 20 years, so it's good to have some knowledge, some different profile and different knowledge, since the technical skills of Dennis, the network knowledge of Old Network Guy, and my hacking mindset, I guess. So it's becoming a pleasure to start the courses together. You feel less alone, because when you're alone in front of the computer, you can easily give up or say, oh, all right, I'll do this later. But the fact that we are several people, it pushes you to go further and to learn more. And now I'm really happy to share this. I just can't wait to be live with this guy every day. So the thing is good about the OSCP, and I wanted to tell it, is like you meet people from everywhere in the world. I've met a lot of friends through this experience, and I'm not even at the half yet. So I wanted to say a good thank you, because a lot of people helped me. So in France, there have been Laurent, there have been Cizik. In England, this is my friend Dame Druby that helped me on Twitch a lot. Of course, the Old Network guys from New Jersey. Dennis, that's from New Jersey but is Russian. Raul from India. Some people from Japan, I can remember or pronounce their name, I'm sorry. I just love this, and thank you guys for all your help and all your support. If some people are curious, you can join me on Twitter, on Twitch, on Facebook, on LinkedIn. I will link everything in the description. But if you're curious, if you have some questions, if you have, I see a lot of people that hesitate. They are like, yes, I'm going to take my OSCP, but I'm not sure I'm ready yet. I don't think you should be ready or something, because you learn everything from scratch with those courses that are really well explained. So yeah, guys, thank you again very much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you talk to me, I'll answer, I'll respond, except if you ask me, of course, to hack Facebook, hack iPhones, If you ask me that, first, I will not respond to you. Two, you're missing the point. You should not be doing this, bro. Not at all, under any circumstances. So thank you for watching, and I see you next time.